In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. The Administrative Commission holds meeting chaired by the Deputy Prime Minister for Administrative Affairs. Western Zone officials emphasize job creation, crime reduction, and combating narcotics cultivation and trafficking. And Iran launches strikes on the U.S. military positions in Kuwait and Jordan. Welcome to Urooj Daily News Package. It's Saturday, the 3rd of Safar al-Muzaffar 1448, the 27th of Sultan 1405, and the 18th of July 2026. The news details. An administrative commission meeting was held under the chairman of Maulvi Abdul Salam Hanafi, the Deputy Prime Minister for Administrative Affairs. The meeting reviewed a number of issues related to the Ministry of Urban Development and Housing, as well as state-owned enterprises, and the necessary decisions were adopted. To ensure more comprehensive assessment of the matters discussed, specific responsibilities were assigned to specialized committees for further examination and evaluation. A coordination meeting of officials from Afghanistan's Western Zone was held under the leadership of Sheikh Nur Ahmad Islamjar, the governor of Herat. Participants discussed a wide range of issues, including the creation of employment opportunities, reducing criminal incidents, preventing the cultivation and trafficking of narcotics, improving access to both religious and modern education, and other matters of regional importance. Governor Islamjar stressed the need to create more employment opportunities for young people in the provinces of Nimruz, Farah, Khor, and Badghis, particularly in the sector of agriculture, industry, and construction. The news continuation. Sayyid Karim Hashemi, the president of Afghanistan Chamber of Commerce and Investment, met with the ambassador of India to discuss ways to strengthening trade and investment relations between the two countries. During the meeting, both sides emphasized increasing exports, facilitating trade procedures, simplifying the issuance of business visas, improving logistics services, and expanding cooperation in agriculture, mining, and handicrafts. And ultimately, Iran has announced that it carried out the strikes against Al-Udair and Al-Saleh military bases in Kuwait, as well as Al-Azraq air base in Jordan, claiming that the attacks destroyed ammunition depot and fuel storage facilities used by the U.S. forces. Meanwhile, the United States Central Command CENTCOM stated that on the 7th consecutive nights of operations, its forces targeted Iranian surveillance facilities, logistical infrastructure, and maritime capabilities. The news conclusion, blessing time. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.